Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In today's lecture, we will practice some more questions based on the circle. In today's class, we will start from question number 7 and we will discuss till question number 12. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So let's start with question number 7. Question number 7 says the circle passing through 1 minus 2 and touching the x-axis at 3 0 also passes through which point? So we are given a circle which is basically passing through 1 and minus 2 and the circle is touching the x-axis at point 3 and 0. So we have to find through which point circle is also passing, right? So we can write the hint of this question is we can write the equation of circle passing through point 1 and minus 2 and touching the x-axis. Clear? And after that, by putting the value of 3 0, we will get the condition. We will get some condition after that we can check whether any circle is passing through the given points or not, right? So in this way you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds we will discuss the solution, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. Formula and the key points. The formula and the key points we will use in this question is the equation of circle touching the x-axis at a0 is x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus lambda y equal to 0, right? Now, you can see this. Let the equation of circle be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus lambda y equal to 0. Clear? Now, as it passes through 1 and minus 2, then we can put the value of 1 and minus 2 in the given equation of the circle. Therefore, 1 minus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square plus lambda times minus 2 equal to 0. Clear? So after solving this, you will get 4 plus 4 minus 2 lambda equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 4, right? Lambda is equal to 4. Therefore, the equation of circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y square plus 4y equal to 0. Now, by the hit and trial method, we can see that the point 5 and minus 2 satisfies the given equation of circle. Clear? You can put each point and you will see that 5 and minus 2 is basically satisfying the equation of circle that we have found, right? Therefore, option C, 5 and minus 2 is the right answer. Clear? Option C, 5 minus 2 is the right choice. Got it? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 says AB is the chord of circle x square plus y square equal to 25. The tangents of A and V intersect at C. If 2, 3 is the midpoint of AB, then area of quadrilateral OACB is. Area of quadrilateral OACB is. So what we can do, AB is basically the chord of circle. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to 25. Clear? So the tangents of A and B is basically intersecting at C. Clear? Now, if 2 and 3 is midpoint of AB, 2 and 3 is midpoint of AB, then when you will draw the given circle and point AB, and you will put the point C, which is intersecting, and you will put the point 2, 3 as the midpoint of AB, and when you will apply the conditions of midpoint and tangents, you will easily find the area of quadrilateral OACB. Clear? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. The formula and the key points we will use in this question is distance formula. Let x1, y1 and x2, y2 be 2 points, then the distance between them is distance is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral is 1 by 2 into diagonal into sum of the perpendicular distance from other two sides, other two vertices, right? So see, you can see the figure. we have a circle having center 0, 0, clear, and radius 5 unit. Now, A and B are the points at which we are drawing drawing the tangent, and tangent is intersecting at point C, clear. And P is the midpoint of A and B, and the coordinate of P is 2 and 3, clear. So OA and OB is equal to 5, which is radius, right? OA and OB is equal to 5, which is equal to radius. Now, from triangle OPB, from triangle OPB, sin theta is equal to OP upon OB, right? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is OP upon OB, which is root 13 upon 5, clear, root 13 upon 5. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 2 root 13 upon 13, right? 2 root 3 upon 13. If sin theta is root 13 upon 5, then cot theta is 2 root 3 upon 13. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral OACB is area OB into BC. Area is OB into BC, which is 5 into 5 cot theta. You can see this. If this angle is theta, then BC can be calculated as 5 cot theta, right? Therefore, area is OB into BC, which is 5 into 5 cot theta. Therefore, we can write OB is 5 and BC is 5 cot theta. Therefore, it is 25 into cot theta. 25 into cot theta, which is equal to 25 into 2 root 3 by root 13, clear, which is 50 root 3 upon root 13 square unit, right? 50 root 3 upon root 13 square unit. So option B is the right answer. Option B, 50 into root 3 upon 13. Got it? Now let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 says, two vertices of an equilateral triangle are -1, 0 and 1, 0, and the third vertex lies above the x-axis. Find the equation of its circumcircle. So what we can do, we basically have to find, we are given the two vertices of a triangle, and the third vertex is basically lying on the x-axis, right? So we can take the third vertex as some A or 0, A 0, clear. So we can easily find the equation of circle passing through 3 points, clear. And after finding the equation of circle, we can easily the equation of circle passing through that 3 point will be the circumcircle of the circle of the equilateral triangle, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution. The formula and key points we will use in this question is, in an equilateral triangle, the centroid, circumcenter, and inner center, centroid, circumcenter, and the in-center coincide, right? Now, if A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2 be 2 points, then the distance between them is given by distance is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So let's see the solution. The circumcenter and centroid of an equilateral triangle are same, right? Let G be the centroid. Suppose let G be the centroid. Therefore, we have AB. AB is equal to 2. AB is equal to 2. Therefore, OC is altitude of triangle ABC. OC is altitude of triangle ABC, which is root 3 by 2 into 2. We know that the altitude of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side, right? Therefore, altitude is root 3 by 2 into 2, which is root 3. Got it? But OG, see, OG is 1 by 3 into OC, right? 1 by 3 into OC. Why? Because the centroid of an equilateral triangle divides its altitude in the 2:1 ratio, right? 2:1 ratio. Therefore, OG is basically 1 by 3 into OC. Therefore, we will get OG as 1 by root 3. Clear? So, thus the coordinate of G are 0 and 1 by root 3. We got the coordinate of G as 0 and 1 by root 3. Now, AG is, now we have the coordinate of A and coordinate of G. Now we can easily find the value of AG using the distance formula as root over 1 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3, right? Clear? Now, so the equation of circle of triangle ABC is x minus 0, then the coordinate of G is 0 and 1 by root 3. Therefore, we have to basically draw the circle outside the triangle ABC, right? Touching the vertex ABC. So, the circle will have center G, which is centroid, and radius AG or GC. both are equal. AG equal to GC is equal to 2 by root 3. Clear? So the equation of circumcircle of triangle ABC is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 2 by root 3 whole square. Got it? So we will get x square plus y square minus 2y by root 3 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, we will get root 3 times x square plus y square minus 2y minus root 3 equal to 0. Got it? Therefore, the equation of circle we will get is root 3 times x square plus y square minus 2y minus root 3 equal to 0. Right? Now let's move to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 says circles are drawn through the point 2, 0 to cut the intercept of length 5 units on the x-axis. If their centers lie in the first quadrant, then their equation for k greater than 0 is. So the hint of this question is circles are basically drawn through the point 2, 0, which is cutting the intercept of length 5 units here on the x-axis. Now their centers is basically lying in the first quadrant. See, so first we will try to make a circle which is passing through 2, 0 and cutting intercept 5 unit on the x-axis, right? Clear? And after that we will get two equations of circle, one in the right direction, one in the left direction. We will choose the circle according to the information that the center of the circle is lying on the x-axis, right? And after that we can easily find the equation of circle, right? In this way you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds we will discuss the solution, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. The formula and the key points we will use in this question is equation of circle having center x1 y1 and the radius r is x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square. Now see, in the figure you can see the circle which is passing through 2, 0. Now if the circle has to make an intercept of 5 units on the x-axis, then the next point can be 7, 0 or negative 3, 0. Clear? 7, 0 or negative 3, 0. Got it? Clearly, the x coordinate of center is x coordinate of the midpoint of AB, right? AB or AB dash. That is C. What will be midpoint of AB? We have coordinate of A, coordinate of B, and coordinate of B dash. So midpoint of AB will be 9 by 2 and midpoint of AB dash will be negative 1 by 2, right? Since the center lies in the first quadrant, therefore H should be 9 by 2. Clear? H should be 9 by 2. Therefore, we will reject the point B dash to make the circle, right? Because center should lie in the first quadrant. Therefore, the equation of circle will be, now we have center 9 by 2 and suppose K, and you can easily find the radius by using the point C center HK and 2, 0. Clear? By using distance formula, right? Therefore, the equation of circle will be x minus 9 by 2 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to h minus 2 whole square plus k square, which is equal to 25 by 4 plus k square. Right? Therefore, equation of circle will be x square plus y square minus 9x minus 2ky plus 14 is equal to 0. Got it? Therefore, option C should be the right choice. X square plus y square minus 9x minus 2ky plus 14 is equal to 0. Got it? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11 says circles are drawn through the points A, B and B minus A such that the chord joining the 2 points subtends an angle 45 degree at any point of the circumference. Then the distance between the centers is. We basically have to find the distance between the centers. So circles are basically drawn through 2 points A, B and B minus A. Now the chord joining the 2 points is basically subtending an angle 45 degree at any point of the circumference. Clear? So by using this information, you can easily solve the question, right? And you can easily find the distance between their centers. Clear? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part. Okay, let's move to the solution part. See, the formula and key points we will use in this question is coordinates of endpoints of a line are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the slope of line should be m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus. The distance between 2 points having coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2 is d is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So let's see the solution. We have a circle which is passing through point A, B and B minus A, such that the chord joining 2 points subtending angle 45 degree. Clear? So if one angle is 45 degree, then the other angle must be 135 degree, because the circle is basically, because uh, outside this quadrilateral we have drawn the circle, therefore the quadrilateral is the cyclic quadrilateral, right? Let point Pxy be any point on the circumference of the circle. Therefore, then m1 is equal to slope of PA. M1 is equal to slope of PA, which is b minus y upon a minus x. And m2 is equal to slope of PB. M2 is equal to slope of PB, which is minus a minus y upon b minus x. We have angle APB. Angle APB is equal to either 45 degree or 135 degree. Clear? So m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 is equal to 10 45 degree or 10 135 degree. Clear? Right? So let's put m1 minus the value of m1 and m2. You will get b minus y upon a minus x minus of minus a minus y upon b minus x upon 1 plus b minus y upon a minus x into minus a minus y upon b minus x is equal to plus minus 1. Therefore, after solving this, you will get b minus y into a minus x, b minus y into b minus x plus a plus y into a minus x upon a minus x into b minus x minus of b minus y into a plus y is equal to plus minus. By considering plus sign, you will get the equation of circle as x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. And by using minus sign, you will get the equation of circle as x minus a plus b whole square plus y minus b minus a whole square is equal to x a square plus b square. Clear? Is equal to a square plus b square. Therefore, the centers of these circles are O 0 0 and C a plus b b minus a. Right? Therefore, the distance between the centers is root over a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, and it will be equal to root 2 into root over a square plus b square, which is equal to root 2 times the radius of either circle. Clear? Root 2 times the radius of either circle. Got it? Okay, let's move to the next question. Question number 12. Question number 12 says, let A be the center of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. If the tangents at the points B 1 7 and D 4 minus 2 on the circle meet at C, then we have to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So first, the hint of this question is, we will first find the coordinate of A, which is the center of the circle. Clear? So we can easily find, if the general equation of circle is given, then we can easily find the center of circle by using minus G and minus F. Now, point 1 7 and D7, point 1 B1 7 and D4 minus 2. At those two points, we are drawing a tangent on the circle which is meeting at C. Clear? So first we will try to draw the circle by putting the circles and two different points B and D, and try to find the coordinates of point C on which the two tangents are meeting. So if we will find the coordinates of all the points, we can easily get the area of quadrilateral ABCD, right? So in this way, you can try to approach this question. You have 10 seconds to solve or think about this question. After 10 seconds, we will discuss the solution part, right? Okay, let's move to the solution part. Formula and key points we will use in this question is, the coordinates of endpoints of a line are x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the slope of the line is m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, right? Second, the distance between 2 points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. Then ab is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let's see the solution. The slope of AB will be 7 minus 2 upon 1 minus 1, which is infinity, right? 7 minus 2 upon 1 minus 1, which is infinity. Clear? Therefore, slope of AB is infinity. Slope of BC. See, since AB is perpendicular to BC, because radius and tangents at the point of their intersection is perpendicular, right? So if slope of AB is infinity, then slope of BC should be 0. Clear? Radius and tangent is perpendicular at the point of intersection. Clear? Therefore, the equation of BC, we can easily calculate the equation of BC as y equal to 7, right? Now, the slope of AD. see, we have the coordinate of A and coordinate of D. Therefore, slope of AD is 2 plus 2 upon 1 minus 4, which is minus 4 by 3. Now, if we have slope of AD, then slope of DC will be 3 by 4. Clear? Because again, AD and DC are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, we can find the equation of DC, which is y plus 2 is equal to 3 by 4 into x minus 4. Therefore, after solving this, you will get 3x minus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Got it? Now, on solving equation 1 and 2, we will get the value of C as 16, 7. Now, AB is equal to 5 and BC equal to 15. Because the coordinates of A and B are given and coordinates of A and D are given, and coordinates of C are also given. So BC is equal to 15. Therefore, the area of quadrilateral ABCD is AB into BC, which is 75, right? AB into BC is 75. Got it? So answer will be area of quadrilateral equal to 75 square unit, right? So in this way, we have discussed a lot of different types of questions based on circle. Hope you understood all types of questions. Hope you understood the concepts, how to apply the concepts in the questions. And hope you liked our lecture, right? Thank you so much.